Students, this is Anupam Sharma. In our previous video, we have already discussed difficult words, line-wise explanation and literary devices of this poem, Poem 5, The Ball Poem written by John Berryman. Now, we are doing very important part of the poem, that is NCERT exercises. Let's begin with the question answers. Question 1 is, why does the poet say, I would not intrude on him? Poet ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं कि वो interfere नहीं करेंगे जब boy sad है, depressed है because he has lost his loving ball? Why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? और पैसे भी क्यों नहीं दे देते उसको दूसरी बॉल खरीदने के लिए, so that boy is not so sad and he gets another ball? The answer is, the poet says, I would not intrude on him because he does not want to intervene in the natural process of learning. So, poet इसलिए इंटरफेयर नहीं कर रहे हैं क्योंकि एक नेचुरल प्रोसेस है लर्निंग का. वो चाहते हैं कि वो लर्निंग हो उसमें और वो कुछ सीखे. He wants the boy to learn the meaning of loss. और वो क्या सीखे? Meaning of loss on his own. He also doesn't offer him money. और उसको वो मनी भी ऑफर नहीं कर रही है to buy another ball. Because he wants the boy to learn the lesson of responsibility, so that loss bear करने के साथ साथ lesson of responsibility भी आ जाए उस boy में. Question 2 is, starting down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. So, the question is, do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time? क्या बॉय के पास बॉल long time से है या उसने न्यू बॉल बाय की है? Is it linked to the memories of the days when he played with it? क्या ये बॉल उसकी मेमोरीज के साथ, उसकी यादों के साथ linked है when he used to play with it? The answer is yes. The boy has had the ball for a long time. When it bounced into the water, all his memories of the days of childhood flashed in front of him. बचपन की, childhood की सारी memories उसकी आंखों के सामने flash करने लगी. This led to a realization, और इसी से ये realization हुआ हमें that those moments would not come back, just like the ball. The boy understood this. He took this lesson. He learned this lesson कि जैसे बॉल चली गई वैसे ही old moments भी दोबारा नहीं आएंगी. The ball was surely linked to some sweet memories of his playing with the ball. So yes, the poet is saying कि ball linked थी उसकी past की sweet memories के साथ. Question number 3 is, what does in the word of possessions mean? Possessions, कुछ चीज अपने पास होना. In the word of possession क्या mean कर रहा है in this poem? So the answer is, in the word of possession means that the world is full of materialistic things. Here everything and every action is made to possess something, whether it is the possession of land, property, money or any other thing. So in the word of possessions की दुनिया क्या है? क्योंकि हम जो कुछ भी करते हैं, everything and every action, वो सभी किस लिए करते हैं? To possess something, ताकि कुछ हासिल हो सके. और क्या क्या हासिल हो सके? वो लैंड हो सकती है, प्रॉपर्टी हो सकती है, मनी हो सकती है या फिर कोई अदर थिंग भी हो सकती है. So the author has used the words in the word of possessions. Question 4 over here is, do you think the boy has lost anything earlier? क्या आपको लगता है बॉय ने पहले भी कुछ लूज किया है? Because the words that suggest the answer. और जो भी आपका आंसर है उसके लिए you have to pick out the words. So dear students, read the poem. Don't go on noting these answers from here. These are just suggestions for you so that you don't face any difficulty in answering. Please read and reread the poem so that you get the answers yourself. So the answer over here is no. It seems that the boy had not lost anything earlier. The words that suggest so are, और हमें कहाँ से पता चला that he has not lost anything earlier? This is from these words of the poem, that he senses first responsibility in the word of possessions. First responsibility, because he has lost something he loved so dearly for the first time, so this is his first responsibility. Question 5. What does the poet say? The boy is learning from the loss of the ball. Poet के accordingly, ball lose करने से boy क्या learn कर रहा है? Try to explain this in your own words. So dear students, this question is for you. I have given an answer, but make sure कि आप इसको own words में describe करें, explain करें. The answer is, the poet means that the boy will learn the real truth of life. So, life का real truth क्या है कि हमारे पास जो भी possessions होते हैं वो lose ही होते हैं, लेकिन life must move on. So, he will learn how to move on in life despite the incurring heavy losses. Everyone experiences this in his or her life when they lose either something or someone. This harsh reality that lost things never come back make people strong enough to live their life by accepting this truth. So students, please try to write this answer in your own words. So with this, we have finished the exercises of this poem, the ball poem. So students, I hope today's lesson is quite fruitful and quite helpful for you. In case of any problem, kindly write in comment box. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.